All right, let's get Anypoint Studio installed on MacOS. First thing we got to do is download it. And in order to do that, we're going to go to MuleSoft.com. And under Products, we want to go to the See All button. They don't have it listed on the front page anymore. So we're going to click See All and get a long list of all the wonderful MuleSoft products. And we want to scroll down pretty far down the list to under the integration heading. That's where you're going to find Anypoint Studio, and I think it's pretty near the bottom of that list currently. Anypoint Studio, the very last item under integration. And there's not a download button. There's a read the docs link that you're going to click. And then finally, you get a download button, Download Studio. So we're going to click that Download Studio. And of course, you don't get to immediately download it. The first thing they do is they offer you Anypoint Code Builder, which is getting better. But you came to this video to install Anypoint Studio. So you'll want to click under Select Version Latest. You're going to, under Product Selection on the right, you're going to choose Anypoint Studio and Mule. And then you have to put your operating system. You do have to give them a little stuff to contact you. So I'm actually going to put my real stuff in here. So then you press the download button, and still you do not get a download immediately. It's going to tell you to get a link from your email inbox. And we're going to choose Go to the download page. I'm going to go ahead and download the DMG installer for Mac. All right, our download is done. So we can open the folder where the download is, which should be in my downloads folder, and it gives you a DMG file. You can just open that by double clicking on Mac, and it'll give you a drag and drop window. So we can take Anypoint Studio and drop it into the applications folder shortcut, and it will install. So now Anypoint Studio is installed. Just to clean up, I'm going to close all of these windows, and you'll see Anypoint Studio on your desktop as one of these mounted volumes. We can right-click the mounted volume and eject it to make it go away. And then we can go to our applications folder and run Anypoint Studio for the first time. It's going to warn us just a one-time warning that it's been downloaded from the internet. We're going to say, okay, we're going to open it anyway. I'm going to press the open button. And it's going to immediately ask you for a workspace. We're going to just make up a new workspace location. And press launch. It is okay to allow it to find devices on your local networks. Every time it launches a new workspace, it's going to give you this splash screen. Press continue to studio. That won't come up anymore. And we are ready to go. Now, the last thing I want to do is authenticate Anypoint Studio to my Anypoint Platform account. So we're going to go to Anypoint Studio, Settings, the pull down Anypoint Studio menu. This under there, we're going to press Settings. And then under the Anypoint Studio Hive, you're going to expand it with this little arrow and go to the authentication menu. And we can go ahead and add whatever account logs into your Anypoint Platform account. So we're going to press add. We're going to log in with our username and password. And I like to change this to 14 days. I think the max is 15, but then it'll be kind of weird during the week. And then you can press sign in. All right. If it gives you this warning about Eclipse Secure Storage, I always just say no. I don't want to provide a hint, and then I press apply and close. And that has Anypoint Studio ready to go for your MuleSoft development.